Okay, test one, two. Here we go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Great to see you guys here today for another beautiful day in OFA. Yes, let's go ahead with that. All right, great to have you guys this morning. I'm excited to be here, excited to get your questions answered, get you rocking and rolling over any hurdles that you might be experiencing. If you have a question, just as always, feel free to just raise your hand like Marie and Nessie. That just lets me know you have a question, something you need to work on. If you're here to learn and observe and just watch your colleagues, then you can hang out exactly as you are. Vladimir, I did not get to you yesterday, so we're going to start out with Nessie, then Vladimir, and followed by Marie. Nessie, good evening. How are you today?
Hello, hello.
Hey.
Um, okay, can I share screen with you? I've got two quick
Uh,
questions.
yep, let me get that permission set. You're rocking, Nessie.
Okay. I kind of worked as much until I got stuck. So hopefully you're the Mr. Unstucker today, Dante. Um, okay, so this is my clarity.
Yeah,
This is so I've set up my major funnels in clarity,
great.
but when I go to here,
Mm-hmm.
it's coming here. I'm almost there.
Yep.
But then I think I've done the right thing.
So we would go to install manually.
Yep, I did that.
Yep. Great.
And I did the tr copy here.
Great.
I've
And
done
then
this,
and then
I
to your funnel.
believe. Yeah, I just clicked on here we go. There's my funnel. Let me
Great.
just go back. Sorry, let me go back to here.
No, you were
So
actually
this,
perfect.
well, no, I've done this, but it doesn't, I've done it, but I don't think they're kicking in.
Interesting.
Yeah. Because look at this. This is I'm going to this funnel, which is the one we just clicked on. But I loaded all my funnels the same way.
Uh-huh.
Then I go to settings.
You're
Then I
absolutely
can
right.
hear header code,
Mm-hmm.
and that's the clarity there.
Yeah.
And then while we're here, below that is the
Oh, you have
metapixel.
your two codes. Okay, scroll me up so I can see in between where the two codes are.
That's just the
Great. And
space.
you spaced it perfectly. So interesting. Okay. So, um, close this down, please.
Update or just close. Yep.
You can just close. Preview your page, any of your top pages.
I just go here.
Sorry, like your beginner 5 week, your first page in the funnel. Just
Oh,
put your
okay,
mouse
sorry.
on it
Yep.
and then preview. Lovely. Top right, we're going to go to live page. Okay, back to clarity, please.
This is the one we're at.
You did this probably around 12 hours ago, yes?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you reckon
Okay.
it's just populating?
Probably not. Go to your record. No, that was working. Go back to that project.
Oh, you said it was working.
Recordings. Two users are online. So click recordings at the very top.
Is that menu?
I think we have to hit that drop down. I can't see. Let me move this. No, not a segment. Sorry, cancel. Top right. Click your,
Yeah.
yeah, click that. Two live users. Okay, so there we are. Yeah,
Okay.
there we are.
That was us. That was us a second ago.
Yes, so this code is tracking any activity on your funnel page is going to work. It's going to be perfect. You're going to
Yeah.
collect all data. I'm really happy with that. T
So when I
Clarity
go to,
norm Yeah, Clarity normally takes a couple hours to set up the dashboard. I'm It's taking you longer, but it depends on what's happening in the internet today.
oh,
So
that's okay. I don't mind time. Time is fine
it
as long
might
as
be
I've done it
taking
right.
time. Yeah.
Okay. So before when I went to a recording that someone was on,
Yep.
I took a screenshot of it because this is what was coming up, which
Yep.
means that the pictures weren't loading for the person, I think.
Um Doubtful.
Okay, good.
Let's go. Yeah, we love to hear that, right? Let's go back to your ClickFunnels account, please.
Yep.
And just grab that URL at the top middle. Just click it,
Yep.
it'll copy, put it in the Zoom chat. Let me go check right now.
Yep. Zoom chat. Oh,
Sorry, I
oh,
just want to say that on my Clarity, it also does that, but I think the customers can see everything. So even though they play videos and stuff, the video doesn't show, but I guess it's just like to save memory or something like this.
Yes,
okay, cool.
I'll check out a setting on that in just a second. Yeah, you're fine. You're totally fine.
I'm all good?
Yeah, everything is showing beautifully. The reason that you're seeing that is probably a clarity setting. Let's go back to clarity and let's see if it even lets me do this. Your clarity tab is your rightmost tab.
Yep.
Lovely. Okay, so, oh, we do. We have settings at the top. Go to settings, please. Top middle.
Done?
Yes. Go to masking. Rela
Ah,
Relaxed.
got it. Yeah.
Now I have to put this video together because from here, gang, what I really want you to do is mask by element because your order forms, okay? So your order form has an element ID on it. Like a specific, it's an element right inside of your account. So we can add all of our order forms here in the masking, set it to relaxed, and add your order forms and or your input elements. If it's just an opt-in, their name, their email, their phone number, you add those elements here, and then Clarity will not block out the people's info. So, like, let's say they go to your funnel, they autofill their
Mm,
information, but they don't hit the button for whatever reason. You got
mm.
that clarity recording. You pick up the phone, you call that person,
Oh,
you ask
wow.
why they didn't do the. Yes, it's the best way to capture all data.
Hmm.
Cool.
So do I do it here?
Yes, I can show you how to do it really quick too. So it's saying, give me the CSS selector. Let's
Yep.
go to your account, enter the editor, please.
Yep. This is on the homepage or the, did you want it on the payment page? Sorry.
Well, let's do it. Yeah, this actually isn't an opt-in, right? Click on the left-hand side. You can just click your funnel steps, click your order form step. Right there. Yep, you can just click the step and you don't even have to exit. You can just move throughout
Cool.
funnel steps easily. Okay, nice. Click your order form element. And there's code to the two to the right. Yes, code. Remember, Clarity said, give me the CSS
CSS identifier.
selector. That's right. So we
Yep.
need to set this. And let's
Hmm.
make it order form dash whatever business or product or funnel, however you want to identify this.
Yep.
Great. Update.
Yep.
Great.
And
Close that
copy.
down.
Copy
Not
it.
quite yet. Here's how I like to do it, just so I know I'm doing the right thing at the right time. Yes, close
Yep.
main funnel save at the top right. Yes. Back to your order form code now. So go right back up to the top of your order form. Yes.
Yep.
Code. And that ID selector should be stuck. It is. It's locked in. Now we can copy. Let's go back to clarity.
Yep.
Bingo. Paste it in there. Add. Done. Same steps with any element. Again, if it's just an
Okay,
opt-in,
cool.
then you add input elements. Yes, name, email, phone number. Each element you get an ID selector, so you would set it for those, and that we want to do for all of our funnels we have traffic going to.
And I want to put the tick unmask.
That's exactly right. Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Uh, Big
And
move, Nessie.
then I just do those for all the bits.
Yes.
Cool. Brilliant. Is that my clarity done?
Yes, your clarity's done. Your dashboard is still not loading at the very top. I find that interesting, as well as your heat maps. Let's give it time. It could just
Okay,
take time, honestly. If not, tomorrow we'll definitely look at this, and it's probably just something you did in your ClickFunnels account conflicting. I probably know what it is.
cool, perfect. My
Cool.
next question
Let's do it.
is pixels.
Yeah.
Um, where do I start on this? Okay, so let's go to 5 week again. So let me go back to here because that will give you a clue. Ah, okay. No integration. Okay, I think it's just populating overnight. Like I think it's just
Well,
taking a
we
while.
would we would just go test. So what is that one night wheel that shows no integrations?
Test events. Yeah,
Well,
here.
I think we need to go to the funnel and do an interaction with the funnel step. So like where is that pixel or code?
Oh, well, that's a good question. I put it here in the settings. I just copy and pasted that code
Oh, really?
down.
That's okay. Okay, cool. Close this
Remember,
down.
and that's the one that I put the space in the middle.
You did great. You can add multiple tracking codes to all funnels or funnel pages specifically. You did it perfect. You put down the first code, enter, enter. It creates one space between. So put the code, enter, enter, put the next code, enter, enter. That's absolutely perfect.
Okay, cool. So that,
Really quick, let's preview this. So just click the little to the right there, click that little icon. Yes, that'll let us preview the page. All right, and you have your pixel helper. So open up your extensions, please. Lovely. Let's go ahead and pin the pixel helper. Hit that little pin icon to the right. Lovely. Hey, while we're here, pin go full page too. Oh, wait, you have them pinned. Do you? No, you don't. Click the go full page one, the top one. Absolutely. Okay, great. Click off to the side. We're good.
oh
A
yeah.
pixel
Oh,
is found on the
yeah,
page.
yeah.
Great.
Okay,
And
great.
there's one event firing right now. Great. So you're rocking. You're rocking. Now that we've done this and confirmed it in the helper, let's hop back to Meta.
Yeah. I feel like I'm missing that step where it's the event thing.
Yes, I think you still need to add your event tracking, and I can show you how to do that. Because
Right.
you want to track purchase events or opt-in events or register
Yeah,
events.
exactly. So
Yes,
the
so
five
that is
week,
your specific event codes.
yeah,
Let's go look at One Night Wheel though.
because that wasn't firing right, was it?
Okay, so this is just telling you you should finish and set up your events exactly like what you were talking about. Let me show you how to do that now, Nessie. Let's go
Let's go
back.
back to let's go back to 5 week wheel because I need to run those ads soon.
Sure. Can you click that top tile there? Can you like
Mm.
scroll to the right?
Ah, right. Sorry, let's move you. Um,
Go to setup. Okay, go. So click your three dots right there. Okay, no, go to see instructions on your metapixel there. Yep. Okay, scroll down. Is there a I've done this button? Okay, yeah,
okay.
copy code
And then I
and
could go
continue.
continue.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is this automatic advanced matching. What is that?
Oh my gosh, I don't remember if we want this on or not. I think we do want this on right now. We can trigger this on later. Um, yes, Doug, are you sure? Yes. Okay, turn it on. Sorry, Nessie. It was
No,
like
no, no. All good.
six
I'm
months
glad.
ago. We didn't use it, but now Facebook AI is fantastic. Thank you, Doug. You're amazing. Um, done.
Done. Oh, so that's all just turned on. Okay, cool.
Correct.
Yep.
We just didn't finish this process. Great.
Basically, Dante, that just helps. Like if she already had a customer that put her email in a form somewhere else, it'll match them to the Facebook ID, so it
Oh,
knows
okay.
there's not two different Dantes. The Dante that filled out a contact form on my website is the same Dante that came from Facebook, so it's the same person. It just kind of gives them permission to verify all the information that we don't want people to have, but they all have it.
Great.
Okay,
Basically,
cool.
create lookalike audiences right from the
Yep.
start. Fantastic.
Oh,
Thank you,
good. That's
Doug.
exactly what we want then.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay. I'll go through and turn that on for everyone.
So now we want to set up events.
Yep.
Can you click set up events? The
Um,
tile right above you, just below that, set up events.
yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
set up
now I
events.
can.
And by the
Okay.
way, Nessie, I'm sorry. I try and be as forward and honest with this as possible. Facebook is my least skilled topic in the entire marketing realm. Years ago, I
It's
got a guy. It's the worst thing I ever did as a coach. I don't pay attention. I don't get in here much, so I'm a little slow. Anyway, you're gonna go to Facebook, Nessie, and they're gonna give you your events. And basically, it's gonna be like you're gonna have a purchase event.
So chuck my URL in there.
So yes, yes, you can put it exactly.
Yeah, but what happens here?
Right, go back, go back. I want
Oh, okay. So this is now clicking.
Yes, and this is your, by the way, this is your Facebook Pixel helper, I believe, helping you do this. Um, anyway, yes, now you can track buttons, you can set up events, you can do the whole thing, and this is what you want to set up. The big thing I want
Got
to share
it.
with you, Nessie, go back to your ClickFunnels account really quick.
Yeah.
Yes, and we can just do it manually as well. Facebook will give you the specific event codes, and you could just manually add them to the pages that you know you want to track. But here's how Facebook event tracking works. Scroll me down just a skosh.
Here?
Yes, just a little bit more. Let's say you want to track purchasers on your order form, which is that page right there. You want to track
Yeah.
everybody that purchases.
Yeah.
That Facebook event code does not go on your order form. The purchase event goes on the next page. Because anybody who hits the next page, yes, you would put your Facebook purchase event on the following page. Same thing for upsells. If you want to track who took upsell one, that event goes on the next page, and that's how Facebook tracks through your entire thing. You can go through the process it's running you through, and you'll be able to set up all the events really simply.
So how
Let
do
me,
I do it to the next pages that
yeah,
it's
let me
not
show
picking
you
up?
that. Go back to your ClickFunnels account. Let's
Yep.
enter the editor of our thank you page. The
Edit the
editor?
editor. Sorry.
Yes.
Yep.
We have full control. I put your Facebook pixel code in your main funnel settings, the settings in the top right, because your main funnel settings apply to every single step
Mm.
inside of your
Mm.
funnel. So now your pixel is just tracking your entire funnel. From
Ah,
there, we
okay.
can add specific events or codes to the specific pages in my funnel. To do so, we're going to go to the very top, settings. Absolutely. Show code. Absolutely. I forget. I'm sorry. Facebook will tell you should it be in the header or the footer, but
It's
this on
header.
your thank you. There you go then. Header. Thank you. So your Facebook purchase pixel, your purchase event, excuse me, would go right there in the header on the thank you page.
So here I am on the event, back up here in Meta.
Yep.
I've got why can I not see this
Just
set
say
up as
install using code. This is the manual option. Install using code.
uh-huh.
Yup. Go down. Uh Purchase. I'm looking for purchase. Keep going down.
Aha.
There it
There it
is.
is.
You're going to copy that code, go put it in the header code on your thank you page.
Oh my
Uh-huh.
God. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
But then there are a whole bunch of other ones.
Yes, there are.
So I could go and like set the whole thing up.
Exactly. Go through the little process, the pop-up windows it was showing you earlier. It'll
Yep.
help. It's a nice little process. But if you ever need to do anything manually, like let's say you were like, oh, I want to track the button click on my first page, my sales page. I want Facebook to track everybody who clicks that button because maybe I want to hit them with retargeting ads in the future. That would be
Mm.
I believe they call it button click. And again, on your first page, you would just grab that little code snippet, add it to the first page. Yep, initiate checkout is another good one, Doug. Nessie, what you should really do is you should really just tell ChatGPT, here's the steps I have in my funnels, and here's the things on each step, and then say, look through the Facebook event codes and show me exactly what codes I should be
Okay.
tracking on each step in my funnel.
Okay.
Done. 5 minutes.
Yep. Happy
Yup.
days. Okay. I'm
Good.
unstuck.
I
Dante,
love that.
all right. Thank you. I'm done. Quick, quick, quick.
Awesome. Great stuff, Nessie.
Appreciate it. Thank you,
You
Dante.
got it. Okay, Vladimir's next. Hey, Vladimir.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning.
Had a late one last night, so I'm sorry about my appearance.
It's
Right.
A-okay. I'm feeling a super sore throat today, so I'm right there with you.
Yeah. Listen, I gotta just want to finalize the funnel and
Okay,
make sure that everything is set up properly.
nice. Let's do it.
Including like the products for the upsells and down, and there's no downsells, but I want to make sure that everything is just connected. I want to do a test, and that's about it, man. Like, I mean, the
Cool.
funnel's pretty much done. So let me share the screen. Just 1 second. Let me kill everything so the the connection and doesn't end up being interrupted. All right, let's roll. Excuse me. Okay.
Oh, Doug, I see it lowered your hand. I got you. Okay, cool.
All right.
I think you still have to click the name of that funnel. Great. Oh, here it goes.
It's it's just for some reason when I'm sharing the screens and everything, I haven't rebooted my computer, and maybe that's why, but it's a little slow connection.
I'm actually stopping your video and mine. That should speed it up a lot. Okay, let me just look at the
Fantastic.
build, the step-by-step. Sales page to order form. After that is just scroll
Yeah.
down.
Now I'm gonna have to move this one over here.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, so
probably wanna
sales
put
page, order form, upsell, which is Moss, confirmation. That's the build.
yeah, that is the build, right? So straightforward.
Let's put the
Um,
funnel in test mode really quick. Settings, top right.
got it, buddy.
Great. Update, always saving our changes. Lovely. All right, now last thing I want to check is the products associated to each funnel step. So let's go to your order form and click that purple bag
Purple bag.
on your order form. Lovely. Okay, so we have 1, 3, and 5, no bumps. Is that correct?
No, there are bumps. Oh, wow, no bumps. Correct. No bumps, just
No
an
bumps. 3 and 5 don't have a price set. You can see that to the right. Is that
yeah.
intentional?
No. No.
Let's
I
go
saw.
ahead, click settings, and we'll set that price.
Got it, buddy.
No, sorry. Sorry, that is to set up some different order form pricing. Exit for me.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Let's just open up a new browser tab and type my. There it is. Enter. By the way, gang, this is super common practice to have multiple ClickFunnels tabs open at once. I typically have about 3 open. One of them is me and my funnel. One of them is me and my contacts. And then I just have a utility that I can use to move around quickly. So here in this tab, Vladimir, let's go to our products on the left-hand side, all products.
Huh?
And let's go change 3 and 5. Let's add some pricing. So just click the names of them or settings to the right. Either one will do.
Okay. Oh, I do have.
Scroll me. Oh, what is that? Click into the settings of that price. Okay.
Would they be visible?
No, they're fine. They're totally fine. Okay, interesting. Close that down. It's probably just displaying incorrectly on the funnel, which I'll take a note of. Go back to your funnel now, please. Your one tab to the left. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's go check that Moss upsell first.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see a product connected to that because I would see a
Yes,
purple
that's
bag. Let's
yeah.
actually exit the editor
Oh,
top
my bad.
left.
Okay, okay.
Nice.
Yeah, okay.
So down to Moss, and I don't see a purple bag. Easy way for me to know a product is not connected. So three dots,
Yep.
add product. Lovely. Go ahead and add button at the top of that tile. Yep.
So the first upsell is buy three, so that's three more, right?
Okay.
And then I used the template from the buyback machine where it says where they say no, then they offer one more, right?
Great. Lovely. So let's put three and one on the page. There's
Uh,
three. Also add one.
I guess
Manage products or the purple bag. Either one. Nice. Go ahead and add the one as well.
you got it.
Bingo. Okay, now let's enter the editor for that Moss page. I want to make sure the buttons are set up properly.
You got it.
Edit. Okay, let's scroll down.
I gotta add a picture here. So let's
We can do that. Let's go click your button though. The yes, add three boxes. I can always see the button action at the bottom of the button itself. I can see that that button is set to submit. But because we have multiple products on your page now, we want to set the respective product to the respective button. Click
yeah,
that button for me, please. We're going to change the action of it. So hit your button action drop down right there. And we're going to
okay.
make it OTO. One click upsell, excuse me. It's right there.
Okay.
Now we can hit that drop down, add products.
Okay.
Yep, right there. Let me get my Picasso drawings out of here.
No?
And that is the three, correct?
Yes, that is the three.
Lovely. Now click on your funnel anywhere to get out of those button settings. I'm just going to, yep, perfect. That's what I want to see. Now we're going to check out your pop-up because you're running an exit pop. And I believe it's that icon at the very top.
Yes, sir.
Great. Show the pop-up.
Right.
Nice.
Okay, it looks I gotta
Yup, we'll want to tweak that design, but this is why we check and do these final little looks-y-loos. Okay, next button again is set to submit, so let's swap that.
okay.
Yep, button action. It's going to be one click upsell. You're going to add a product. You went to edit products.
Oh,
Just
I'm sorry.
click the X on that. Add product. Yes.
Then
And
one.
that'll be one. Bingo. Fantastic.
Okay.
Save the change. Nice. We are rocking and rolling. Your no thanks button is set to submit form. I don't think we want that now.
No.
So click that no thanks button. Yeah, hit your button action.
Go to next final step.
Yes. Uh-huh. Go to. Instead of custom URL, hit the second drop-down box.
This one, right?
Yes. Custom action link. And then it's going to be hashtag no dash link.
I just type it here.
Yep.
Hashtag
No dash link.
dash link.
Great. Awesome.
Okay.
Save your change.
Saving.
Okay, we're perfect, Vladimir. Let's go test. Exit the editor, top left.
Right.
Let's just use your top funnel URL. So click the preview button. Lovely. Great. Just click your top button. Great. Great.
What was I was looking for the code. Let's say that this ends up being pre-selected.
I think that's in buy more machine, but I think I also have it right here. Got it. Let me just double check. This is the right one. Yeah. Okay. Back to you. I put a link in the chat for you. It's to a Facebook post. Uh, it's a post from Dan Havey. Yes. Well, whenever you log in, that's just a post from Dan Havey. He's got that code in there. But really quick, Vladimir, you don't have it up and ready. So let me just copy him. Well, I want you to go log into Facebook and watch because Dan made a whole video and he shows you how to where to put the code and what exactly to do. But that's how it's going to pre-select and highlight the 3 count.
Yeah, no, that's fine. If you know on top of your head, is it in because I have it in the other funnel, so I can start digging through them.
Oh,
I think
yes.
I think I have them on the golf funnel. I was looking for it, but I don't unfortunately like there's a lot.
I'll show you where it is. Back to your funnel. Yes. Yes. Sorry, it's that. Yes. Well, we're on your preview, so just one to the left. Yes.
Okay.
You go to your golf funnel, go to the order form where the products are, and it'll be, yeah, take me one to the left. Sorry, your actual account. Lost my train of thought there. Yes. Enter the editor of your order form page.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Top right, settings, show code, and it'll be in the header section on the order form in your golf funnel, correct?
Excellent. Excellent. So it's going to be here, and I should just basically replicate whatever, whatever's here, right?
That's exactly right. Yes.
And it doesn't matter then in golf, I have the entire V curve, while here I got 1, 3, and 5.
It won't matter. As long as 3 is labeled 3 and in the middle of 1 and 5, you're fine.
Fantastic.
Again, Dan has a really great video that walks you through all that. If you hit any hurdle, just log into Facebook. You'll have it right there.
Yeah, no, I usually do have Facebook probably on another browser.
Probably.
Is a
Okay,
lot.
cool. So let's go back to that order form tab. Yep, let's keep moving through.
Yep.
The funnel should be in test mode, I thought. Scroll me to the very top. Oh, there it is. Copy your test card numbers if you need to. Otherwise, let's just go. Yep, great. Uh-huh. Any future date? Great. And CVV is 123 or any 3 numbers. Great. Rush. Nice. Great. Upsell page. Let's go ahead and add 3. Yep. Great. And order confirmation. You display the products I purchased with the total monies I paid. You're awesome, Vladimir. You
Awesome.
should do one more test purchase, do what we just did. And
Yep.
on your OTO, I want you to not take the product and make sure to test the pop-up that works properly.
Will do.
Once you do that,
uh
I want you to make your products $1. Like go to the product itself, make the product price $1, and then make a live purchase. Remember, if it works on $1, it'll work on 10,000. Once that live purchase goes through, you confirmed it works with live credit cards, you're rocking and rolling. Just change the product back to the normal pricing. You're good to go.
Yeah. Now, okay, so here is I have to set up another one because the upsell for the 3-pack, for the 3 boxes, it should be 136, right? It should be like the price of 5, right? Like a little additional, I'd say incentive for somebody to actually purchase 3, right? So
Yes.
the initial price is 146 if you just want to buy 3 right off the bat. But if if you buy one first and then you want to buy 3 more, then I have it as advertised as 136, right? It's a price of 5, right?
Uh-huh.
So do I need to how do I do that? I have to set up another product?
Yes. Yes, that's the easiest way, Vladimir.
Uh-huh. Just do that real quick. And that's like 3 upsell.
Um, I'm sorry, say again.
So it would be 3 upsell, like
Yes, yes, it would be like 3 boxes. You can put 3 boxes OTO.
it's a physical product.
Amanda, I'll look at that code with you in just a second.
So this is 3 times 136.95. My bad.
Vladimir, interest of time, what other questions do you have for me
I
today?
think I'm all set, my friend. That's about
Okay.
it. I'm gonna set up the now a quick question on the Pixel.
Yes.
Um, because of the nature of my products, do you recommend installing the Pixel? So Facebook,
Yeah, they're gonna know either way nowadays. So I would definitely install the Pixel and at least reap the rewards.
okay. And once I install the Pixel, the retargeting campaigns and all that stuff, how do you actually set that up? Is there some sort of a video that would be explaining that somewhere?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's a
No, no, no.
bazillion YouTube videos on how to do it. You could chat GBT it. It's quite simple.
Okay, okay. Gotcha. Everything you like I'm also gonna watch everything you did with Amanda. Now you would
Good.
think that they would know, right? Like you think they're gonna know?
Facebook?
Yeah. Because the
Like,
idea of hiding, and I'm asking this um because of the campaigns that I do plan to on the front end to be some sort of a product that is not tobacco related. And
yep.
then, and I don't want Facebook to know what's behind the first
They're
product.
they're 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 still gonna know. You could try it without the Pixel, but their AI is so good. They're crawling your funnels. They're crawling your funnels without you actually installing the Pixel. They're gonna know.
Okay, okay. I'm just thinking whether the ad for the first product will actually be will have some issues. Um, I know Trace didn't, right, when they were doing their thing, but I don't know,
Correct.
it was a different time.
It was 8 years ago before all this. Just if you want, Vladimir, just start without a Pixel.
Yeah, I'm
Start
probably gonna
without a pixel, see how it goes. And if you get shut down, then we'll have to tweak a little bit the front end, and then we'll throw a pixel on there and be fine. If
yeah.
you get shut down, it's literally gonna come down to we're just gonna send out emails and call people and make orders that way for the main product.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No, no, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
Cool.
Thank you so much, Dante.
Awesome. You got it, Vladimir. All right. Marie was next. Hey Marie, great to see you today. How can I help?
Hi, Dante.
Hey.
Um, Sorry, I tried to log into my ClickFunnels account, but no way. I restarted my computer and it can't let me in. So I was wondering if there's a way you could help me out. It's asking me for a two-factor authentication code. I don't remember setting that up, but I've tried.
Okay, I use do you have what is it's Authy, is it? Yeah, I use an app. It's the Google Authenticator. 2FA is actually fantastic. Two-factor authentication. It really protects your accounts. If you guys are not doing 2FA, it's simple. I use the Google Authenticator, which looks like that icon right there. and I can have all my accounts connected to it and it generates one-time codes for me. Really simple, really easy. Do you have that authenticator app, Marie?
Mm-mm.
Okay, you're probably gonna have to get with support. They can get you in and then show you exactly how to make sure this doesn't happen again. But you're gonna have to get with support and confirm that you are Marie and you do own the account.
They don't even respond to like 2 days.
No, 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 no. We should be able to make a live chat.
I can't log into it to even make a live chat. That's the issue.
No, no, I mean if you just email support at cf2support at clickfunnels.com. I just put that link in the chat for you. Email cf2support at clickfunnels.com. Let them know that you're locked out of your account due to 2FA. And then say, I'd also like to request this turned into a live chat. And the queues are flying right now. An agent's going to be on your ticket in like 5 minutes.
Say that again, that I should
Uh,
contact
say, I'm locked out of my account due to 2FA. Like just tell
222FA. What's that?
due to.
Due. Oh, you said due to. Okay.
Yes, I'm locked out of my account due
Okay.
to
Mm-hmm.
2FA. Just tell them why you're reaching out. And also say I'd like for this ticket to be turned into a live chat. There's like there's people waiting for tickets right now. You're gonna get a response very fast, and they'll make it a live chat and get you in a minutes.
All right. Thank you.
Nice.
There's nothing I can do. I haven't logged into it for the whole of yesterday.
Oh no, yes. Send CF2support at clickfunnels.com. You're gonna get a response quickly. We'll get you back in.
All right. Thank you, Dante. I'll
You
contact
got it.
you. Mhm.
You got it, Marie. Okay, we're gonna go Doug and then Sam and then Amanda. Doug, great to see you. How can I help?
Hey man, I'm good. I was actually going to say if you want to help Sam, I know he's a carryover from yesterday because I literally just wanted you to kind of walk through my funnel with me to see what I've gotten and see how you contrast with your AI counterpart, Dante. So it was
Cool.
more kind of a walking through. So if there's more pressing matters for Sam or Amanda, I don't mind waiting if you've got the time. If not, we could always push to tomorrow. So
Cool, you rock, Doug. Let's go talk to Sam about his funnel then.
Okay, sweet.
Good to see you, Sam. Go ahead and share your screen. Let's see where we're at. And do you have any like big questions before I start doing my thing?
Uh, there's a few little ones, but you do your thing and then I'll let you know the other ones.
Cool.
I joined a little bit late today because I was building a funnel and I didn't know what time it was.
That's okay. Al, you can if you're late because you're building funnels, I'm never upset.
Yeah, sweet. Where did we get to yesterday?
Let's
I
go to
sorted
ClickFunnels.
out.
Just open up a new browser tab and go to myclickfunnels.com.
Oh, sorry. Am I not sharing that screen?
Oh yeah, I'm looking at GPT.
Oh, you're looking at that screen. Uh, uh, uh. Which one do you want? Desktop 3. Is that better?
It is. Hey, start a project for this. When we're all done, Sam and GPT, you're just running like multiple different
No,
chats.
I've got a project. I use Gemini mainly, but
Okay,
Gemini's
cool.
kind of been annoying me recently, so I'll just do a few things on ChatGPT now and then.
Okay, fair. All right, man, let's go take a look at the funnel.
But yeah, I got my Clarity installed yesterday.
Good.
I sorted my FAQs out so they're all yes answers.
Good.
Changed the headings for the checkout.
Remind me, were you getting 20% of people clicking on your sales page and going to your order form?
25%, yeah.
Okay, great. I just want to focus on your order form then. Let's go enter the yes, you're amazing. Okay,
I
we
did
can
have one
definitely
question. I did
please
have
go
one
ahead.
question that will go out. So we set up two checkouts yesterday, one for mobile and one for desktop.
Yes.
And then we just hid the desktop one from mobile and hid the mobile one from desktop.
Yes.
And then we clicked save, but it came up with an error saying that there's two checkouts on the thing.
Yes.
So that made it so no one could check out. If I went on the actual live website, there was an error on the checkout, so you couldn't check out. So I deleted it so people could still check out.
Okay, interesting. It would have
So
done that.
so
Interesting.
I've just deleted the mobile only one, and then
Okay.
and there was some weird formatting stuff going on. If I changed this one to how I wanted it to look, it would change the mobile
Affect the
one to look
mobile greatly.
really strange.
Yeah.
And I had to take these reviews so they're only desktop only because these were getting in the way of the checkout on
Yes. Okay.
mobile.
Basically, what we could do from here, Sam, to make everything concise is exactly what you did with your reviews. You can make clones of elements and you can have specific elements that are desktop and mobile only. So like you would start doing that for like images. You would have a desktop and a mobile only image and all the things around your order form, you would just make desktop and mobile only. That
Yeah.
way you have one order form that's working on both pages.
All right, cool.
Cool. Sorry about that. I could have swore we could have double forms.
Yeah, it was lucky I checked it because I almost didn't look at it. I was just trying out Clarity to see if it was working, and then I went on and it said that there's an error with the checkout, and it was like all grayed out. So
Oh, thank God. Good man. Good
yeah,
man. Okay, so as I hit the page, first thing that I'm seeing is I think your image could be bigger. I also think you could come up with a better image, possibly. Maybe that has, like, the images should invoke the emotions we're trying to portray, right? So when I look at this, it kind of feels to me like a CVS, right? It's just
yeah,
like a bunch of bottles where we could have these bottles displayed on a table with a bunch of pills splayed out so they could see the product itself, right? I definitely think we could increase the quality there as well as the
yeah,
best deal banner. You know,
yeah,
that's
for
just kind
sure.
of hard to see. It doesn't really pop and it doesn't really stand out. So definitely could play around with our imagery. But the most concerning thing to me is the headline. It is just tiny.
Yeah, it's tiny.
It's tiny. It's so tiny. I'm having to squint my eyes to see it. And big time in ecom, Sam, everything
Yeah,
that we do is to reduce friction. Reduce friction at all costs. If I can sum up my last 2 years with Trey, it is to reduce friction. If people are having to squint to see what you're saying, that is
yeah,
friction in your process, and that's going to cause them to go. So just increase the sizing of them. Yeah, look at that. How about that 60% discount as well? Look at that. Uh-huh. Yep, right there. You can just go to your text settings. So put your mouse on the text itself, your 60% settings. Lovely. Make it big. A little more. I like that. I like
yeah.
that. Great.
That's better.
Uh nice, nice, nice. The secure stuff. I want to move that under the order form. Yep. Yep. Bingo. Okay, sorry, there's just a little lag. It looks like it's not working for me, but it definitely is. Next thing I want to do is I want to remove that text below your button. And also, we're going to change the button. It shouldn't say next. It should say it should say choose quantity. Sorry, I want to change quite a bit of things. So, yeah, you're in your text settings. Press command. Okay, button here
What
should
should we change
say
that button
uh,
to?
yes, that should say select quantity. Lovely. Okay, now you can just command F. We never share. There it is. I just want it removed. Exactly. It's like as soon as somebody sees we never share your information, it's like, wait a
Mm.
minute, are you sharing my
Yeah,
information? It puts the thing in their mind and we don't need
yeah,
it. Great, great, love that, fantastic. Next thing I'm looking at is your order form itself, step 1 and step 2, setting up the
Mhm.
shading on that so that they can clearly see which step in the process they're on. I'm also going to want to change up our actual texts itself. Yeah, so back
Okay.
to text settings. That instead of yes, enter information should be ship it.
Well, just like that.
Yep. Sub headline should be uh your address. Great. That's going to be perfect for you. Number 2, instead of product selection, no, you're fine. Right here in your
Oh, is it
text
alright?
settings. Yes. I believe it'll be just below product selection is what you have. It should be closed. There it is. Yep.
Oh
Good
yeah,
man.
yeah.
That's going to be choose quantity. What is my subtext on that? Man, sorry, my brain.
It's
Uh,
alright.
my subtext is choose quantity. Let's make that say apply discount. Lovely. You should be able to put a space there. Perfect.
Yeah.
Great, Sam. All right. Now I want to set up the press back on your checkout settings there. Yeah, step 1 and step 2, checkout steps. It should be your top. Yeah, I think it's in checkout steps. Step 1 text. Okay, here we go. My active step. Yes, sir. You got it. The background. Let's probably run the same green that you have all over the page. Uh,
Do you want it step 1, step 2?
sorry, we're on step 2 at the very top. Hit your
Oh
very
yeah,
top.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry. At the very top drop down, go to
Yeah,
step
yeah.
1.
I'm just trying to get rid of that one for step 2. Or does it matter if do you want it the same color or we want it different colors? Or no?
No, we'll want them different colors. Yep, step 1. Okay, great. That's what we want. So when they're on step 1, the active step has a background of green, and the inactive step has the normal background. That's perfect. Now go to step 2.
Yeah,
And
that's fine,
the
man.
active step is going to be green, and the inactive step is going to be white, and that's going to be perfect as well. Fantastic. Now customers can clearly see where they are in that order form process. That should be a huge lift right there. I noticed PayPal doesn't seem to be added to this order form yet, or your account. Do you have PayPal as a payment processor?
I'm just with Stripe at the moment,
I
so I
would
don't know.
very much recommend you adding PayPal. I was
Yeah.
working with a guy selling supplements recently, Sam, and he added PayPal and saw a 30% lift.
Wow.
It was insane. Everybody bought with PayPal. He went from no sales to sales out the wazoo.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, button looks good. Oh, step 2 button. Go to your buttons. Your button says submit right up top. We're going to make that say complete order. Lovely. Okay. Great. Scroll me down. Nice job. You put the code on the funnel, yes, to highlight the 3 count.
What do you mean highlight the 3
Uh
count?
I just see your
Sorry.
3 bottles is highlighted already.
Oh yeah.
Did
Yeah.
you do that with the code or just in the order form settings?
No, just in the order form settings.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna have you go to that code as well. What you're gonna notice something. Let's preview the page at the top, Sam. Your little eyeball. Yeah. Let's see how this lays for us. So good. So good. Um, So good. Very happy with this. Now, what you're noticing, the 3 count is highlighted but not pre-selected.
Mm.
And that is not ideal. We want this pre-selected. So that code, did you click that Facebook link I put in the chat by chance?
I don't think so.
Can you open your Zoom chat from here? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, I can open it.
It's just a couple chats up. I
Let's
have to
see.
do that move all the time too.
It's because I've got my Mac camera doesn't work, so I've got my phone like set up in between my two monitors. It's the it's the webcam, and it's right in the way of the chat.
That's awesome.
Is it the Facebook group?
Well, it's just facebook.com/groups/ClickFunnels slash
Yeah, yeah,
post. Yeah,
yeah.
click
I've
on
got
that. And can you pull that tab over here on this screen?
that. Yeah.
My man. Oh yeah, so you got to join the group. This is our ClickFunnels official Facebook page. This is an awesome
Yeah, yeah.
resource, gang. I want everybody to be a part of this. This is where funnel hackers live and unite. There's sharks in here, of course. So when you ask questions, you're definitely going to have people probably from across the world of you, and they're going to say, "Hey, I can help you do that really easily." Just keep an eye out for that. You'll find also great people that you may very well want to work with in there. Yeah, just mark off what is that?
What have
Uh,
I signed up for?
oh, one funnel away challenge. Nice. Scroll down, hit all the boxes, agree to the terms. You probably know the terms. It's just imagine if Russell gave you rules to go into his house. Yes. And submit. Lovely. Okay, that's going to let you into the group probably like within the hour, Sam,
Yeah.
and that is going to take you to a specific post. I'm going to share my
Okay,
screen
cool.
when you're all done and just kind of walk you through that post. It's awesome. Great video with the code that's going to have that 3 count highlighted and pre-selected. That will be a
Okay.
huge move. Now, as I look at the page, do you even want the 3 count highlighted and selected, or do you want the 5 count?
Uh,
I ask
yeah, I
because three
guess
bottles is highlighted, but the image that I'm seeing is 5.
6.
Oh, 6. Sorry, my screen is just tiny.
Yeah, I suppose that would be best.
So you want 6. Okay, cool. And you're going to be able to use that code to make sure 6 is highlighted and pre-selected as
Yeah.
well. Nice.
Would you keep it as most popular, or would you change that to like it is the best deal?
I
Would you
would
change it?
probably say most popular. Customers can
Yeah.
make the assumption that it's the best deal and they can do the math to find out, but I want it to be most popular.
Cool. And would you say that there's anything wrong with like this the advertorial part of my funnel, because I'm getting the people?
No, I'm literally not even going to look at that yet, Sam, and I don't want you
Alright.
to touch it yet. If you want to run a split test and tweak a headline, I'm happy to show you that. But you're getting 20 to 25% click through on the sales page. You're hitting the
Yeah.
metric literally perfectly. Water is flowing down just like it should be. All and especially if they're leaving the sales page, hitting here and sales are not running through, then all of my focus and attention only goes on my order form. Where
Yeah.
is my friction and what things might I need to add by funnel hacking my competitors and seeing what they have? How can I make it convert better? Because once we get
Yeah.
this order form to 5%, then we're going to move on to the upsells and get those converting at 20%. And then Sam's on his way to the stage to collect an award.
Yeah.
Yes. Scroll me down a little bit. Let me see what we're working with here.
It's quite simple.
That's good.
Just
FAQs.
FAQs, and I've changed them all. Well, not all of them, but most of them. So they're like absolutely certainly yes.
Good. Uh, we have a really cool tool, Sam, inside of ClickFunnels. It's an element, and it's called the accordion element.
Yeah, this is accordion.
No, that's a paragraph. Ah,
Nah,
yes,
it
that's all
is.
accordion. Okay, good. It is all accordion. Great. Sorry, that was just so far from me. So preview the page now. Let me just see what that accordion's looking like when we see it live.
Yeah, it looks quite. Yeah.
Yes, love that. So good, clean, simple. I'd probably want a little bit of fear at the bottom of your FAQ. If you go back to that live preview page, Yeah. Sorry, is your live page still up?
So I just
That's okay. You are fine, man. So we just kind of dump them off at the end. There's really just kind of nothing there. So at
yeah,
the very least, I would put a button below my FAQs, and that button would be set to scroll. So if they click the button, it's going to scroll them back up to my order form. I want to have my calls to action scattered throughout the page where
yeah,
customers should want to take action. So they
yeah.
read your FAQs. They're like, oh man, this is great. Exactly what I'm looking for. They scroll down and there's a button right there that says, get yours today. They click the button, it scrolls them up, they make the order. You
Mm.
might want to play around with a little fear on this order form, though. Do you know emotion, logic, fear, Sam?
Uh, Probably not as well as you do.
Okay, cool. It's all funnels, all pages. Really,
Yeah,
persuasion and selling comes down to emotion, logic, and fear.
yeah,
People, that's their buying personas too. 80% of people buy emotionally, 10% of people buy logically, 10% of people buy fearfully. But emotion and fear are the real drivers that we're trying to twist.
yeah,
And funnels are built that way in a hierarchy. The top of my funnel, everything in the above the fold, is built for emotion. That's my hooks. That's my curiosity. It's built for the emotional people. And a lot of times, just in the above the fold, that's enough to get people to say yes, especially emotional people. Then, so emotion is at the top. Emotion, logic, fear is how it goes.
Because
Emotion is tied to the hook
the call
because
now.
just like it is, oop, I got you, no worries. Just like, there we go. Just like it's emotion, logic, fear, funnels are built to model and emulate that with hook, story, offer. So my
mm,
hook hits the emotion. Then we're going to get to logic. And sure enough, that's where my funnel goes into the story, which is like what your advertorial page does really, 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 really well. That's the purpose of the advertorial. Strong, sexy hooks, of course, but they have fantastic
yeah,
story that people go through. For the logic, especially here where
yeah,
it's like, I'm going to put something in my body. They need that logic on the page, right? Your
yeah,
order form, though, you skip that logic. You go right to fear, which is we would say offer in the funnel. But it's like hurry, hurry
yeah,
now, act today and get yours. People, and then it might be like studies show that people that take action quickly get results quickly as well. Don't, you know, don't long road your results. Don't put hurdles in your own way that aren't there. Lean into the fear,
mm,
right? What is this thing? Don't allow yourself to live in mental fog any longer.
yeah,
Maybe it's like they want to be better dads and your thing is for your dad. Literally hit the fear. Stop letting your sons down because you can't focus. Stop letting your family down because you don't have energy. Click the
mm,
button, order yours today. Like lean into fear. That might be something you play with on this page. At the
yeah, yeah,
very least, I'd want to see a button below.
yeah, for sure. I've got all the buttons scattered around on the advertorial, but then I just didn't think to move it over onto the order form as well.
Sure. As
Yeah,
nobody else does. That's why I'm here. Thanks for keeping me
yeah.
employed, Sam. You rock.
Sweet.
Cool.
Have I
So I'm,
got
I'm pretty happy with that. Scroll me up to the very top. Let me just see your hook. This is all fine.
yeah.
Hey Dante, I'm coming up with some weird problem here. So whenever you're done, like if you don't mind, just a quick question at the end.
Okay, cool. Um,
Thanks, buddy.
I'm really pretty happy with this, Sam. This is a really
Yeah.
clean, simple checkout. It's gonna be intelligent and walk people through the process. How many people have seen the order form so far?
Let's have a look.
Top left is gonna be a date drop down. You can just probably hit that to last 30.
Let me just
It's
go.
right up, it's right up
Yeah, I'm
there.
just gonna go into this one instead.
Yes, we can go to our analytics suite as well. Yep. Top right, you have your date filter. Always looking at that first. Are these the right dates of data? Cool. That should cover it. Do you know about the difference of all and uniques?
Yeah. These are
Okay.
just like each individuals, and then some people have, or it might be me testing it, looking at it twice.
Yeah,
Some people
it could
looking
be
at
the
it
bots
twice.
that are on the internet
Yeah.
that visit pages.
Yeah.
The one time a customer visits your funnel, it's recorded as a unique.
Yeah.
Anytime they come back after that, it's recorded as an all.
But
So
like all the opt-ins, all those opt-ins are me.
you testing, cool, totally
Yeah.
fine. So let's say 28 minus 7, let's say about 20. Let's say about 20 have seen the order form. And I would have wanted to see one sale by then. But it's so hard to tell. What I'm saying here, Sam, is we don't have nearly enough data to be able to really
No,
make a
yeah, I know.
decision yet because
Yeah.
I want to see a 5% conversion on your order form. So I should be seeing one sale per 20 page views. But that's
Yeah.
not sales don't work out like that. It's just law of large numbers. So like you might not make any sales for 80 page views, but then those
Yeah.
final 20 page views, you might make your 5 sales. Just not enough data yet here. I'm happy
Yeah.
with the test we're running now. I'm happy with how your order form is working. Let's just keep doing more of the same. I
Yeah.
also saw that you're running a split test on your funnel. Yes?
I am, yeah.
Nice. Good man.
I've just got one of them has like a bunch of selling right at the top of the advertorial, and one of them doesn't, so it's just straight to the advertorial content, as you can sort of see.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And most important thing I was looking at was your split test slider. You're running 50/50. And
Yeah.
last thing I want to confirm is that your ad, where you click that, where you put the action, the URL, where when people click this ad, where do you want to send them? You're
Yeah.
sending them to that top funnel URL, correct?
Yeah.
Great, good man. So now your ad runs to that URL, and as people
Yeah.
go through your funnel, you can change all this without ever having to touch your ads. They just run perfectly. Cool. So
Yeah.
you're great, man. What are you testing on that sales page? It looks like a headline.
It's not even the headline. Like on this one, I've got this, like, I've got a big, like, it's selling the product straight away.
Uh-huh.
And then this one is just, it sells the product a bit lower down on the page after they've read the advertorial.
Oh, interesting. Let me see. Enter the editor.
I'll just
Oh, you can just double preview too. That's fine.
So that's the one that doesn't sell at the top, and then once they get to here, they see the 60%
Oh,
off and the 60%
okay.
off.
Yeah, okay. So you made
But
this
then
like a blog.
this one's
Okay.
like, this one's got 60% off at the top.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You might get in a little trouble with Facebook because you have before and after at the top right of this page. You can't do
Oh yeah.
before and after, but you can do with and without.
Okay.
Nice. Did your other split test have that before and after on it too?
No.
Cool. So you're really split testing sizing, you're split testing
I
showing the
know I
six.
should only split test like one thing at a time, but
That's
yeah,
okay. No,
I think that's all right. Yeah.
I'm totally fine with it. Yeah, we can reverse engineer and we can run other split tests in the future if we really need to find out like what was the best part of that one test. But I'm totally
Yeah.
cool with that, Sam. You know what you're doing. You're great, man.
And I got one more thing quickly. If
Cool.
I go to this page, it goes to my store, which is it's like a redirect to my ClickFunnels. But
What
that's
did you just type in? I'm sorry.
So this is like this one here that says Myra Vital after it, this slug after it takes it to the funnel. But
Yeah,
if I just do
just the
root domain,
subdomain.
your subdomain, yeah.
And is
It
that
goes,
subdomain in your ClickFunnels account?
yeah, but it just goes to here.
Right.
It goes to my store. I didn't even know that I had a store until I typed that in and it came up with this.
Right. Okay, go back to your account. Let me see if we can fix this up.
So I wouldn't mind if it just goes like straight to
Like the funnel.
that funnel, yeah.
That's the perfect move, especially right now. Okay, site and blog. Go to site settings. You're great. And the domain on the site is that.
Because when I type in the shop.gomyra.com, it redirects to this one.
I think this might be something we have in the account. Go to bottom left, workspace settings, domains. Yes, sir. Right. So you made the subdomain. Where is that root domain purchased?
It is Namecheap.
Great. Okay. So you have a domain
What
name.
the subdomain or the main domain?
The root domain is that
Yeah, yeah.
goiman.com?
Gomara.com. Yeah, it's
Go Myra.
yeah.
So that is in Namecheap, and you made a subdomain and brought it into ClickFunnels. You're get with tech support on this one, Sam.
Yeah.
We have assigned the wrong thing to that subdomain, and they'll just free it up, and that will literally no longer happen. I could go to your domain and I could do like redirects and
Yeah.
all this stuff. Don't even worry about that. Support will get it rocking.
Sound.
Sweet.
That's fine. Do I have anything else? Maybe a quick one.
Mhm.
For a singular, like if I have a bit of text, let's just say this bit of text, and I
Mhm.
wanted to just change that word to a different color, would I have to use CSS, or is there a way of
You
doing it?
could use CSS and you could just change that word. You can also do it natively. We have bold and unbold colors inside of ClickFunnels. So go to like your FAQs. Sorry. Oh my gosh, my brain. Yes, go to your settings. You were right.
Right.
Yes. Uh, and click your three dots right there. Okay. No, scroll me down.
Because if I like uns if I highlight it and then go onto the editor, it changes, so it unhighlights it.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
not
but it's
sure how
because we
to
just have to
use
set our bold color here. So click that bold color. And what color would you like for it to be?
it. It won't let me click into it.
Why? Click that
Oh,
little.
if I make it bold first and then is that right?
Oh, okay. It shouldn't need to, but let's see.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
fine.
Yeah, bold and then choose
Okay.
whatever color. Yes. Or
Okay.
so you can also, Sam, and like in this case, you can't tell the difference in that frequently is bolded compared to the others, so it looks fine. If
Yeah.
you ever couldn't get it perfect, it's so common practice that we would go to Canva, you would make that text an image, and you would
Yeah.
just add the image to the page. Like if you want to make a rainbow text, people do that every day.
Yeah, that's what I was doing for the funnel that I was building before I came on here, just like building the elements as images
Yeah.
and then just putting them on and putting a link on the image.
Yes, very common
Yeah.
practice.
Okay, cool. Yeah. I think oh sorry, another one.
Okay.
Can you do bundles inside of ClickFunnels for multiple SKUs or
Not yet. That's
not
something that
yet?
we're working on. That should be
Fine.
coming.
That's fine. Cool.
Cool.
That's me done. Oh, I have one more. It's not a question, but I think when we're installing that pixel for, I can't remember her name, but I think you need to put script tags above and or before it and after it, just to make sure
Yes,
that it fires properly.
I think you're right. Like
I put
show
my
her.
whole like in here script tag before. I put my whole pixel in here, but I don't think you need to do that. I think you can just do the.
Is that for me?
Yeah, that's for you,
Yes.
Nessie. And
Yeah.
as you're going, literally take a sample of the code that they give you and give it to ChatGPT and say, is this enough or do I need to add script to this? Literally just tell it that and it'll re-output the code exactly as you need it. And for you,
Mhm.
Sam, you don't need the pixel on the page like this.
No, I'm aware, but I did it the way Nessie did it, and I wasn't getting the fires, and then I put it in like this, and it did seem to work. So,
Aha.
Interesting.
but I am aware that I wouldn't usually. I've got it on the global settings, my main pixel, and then I've just changed the
And I think that's why I don't do that, Sam. I
yeah,
don't use the global pixel in my account at all. And Facebook actually typically recommends that you don't.
yeah, yeah. So my
Um,
global one's for the page view, and then this is for IC. But
that
yeah,
works. That works. You're killing it, Sam. You know what you're doing, man. Love this.
yeah. That's me done. Thanks, everyone.
Awesome. Good
Yeah.
job, man. Really good job. All right, great. Next up was, well, let's hop over to Amanda because Doug's just a rock star. Hey, Amanda.
Hey, Dante. Good
Hey,
morning, good
hey.
afternoon. I just had a really quick question about my Stripe account. So
Cool.
I thought I had changed from Azena to Liberty Forge. So when they get their billing statement, it doesn't say Azena, and that's why I feel like I was getting so many fraudulent charges on my account.
Yeah.
But the way I'm looking at it, it's still showing up as Azena, and I was wondering if you know how to change that.
Inside of Stripe.
Yeah, inside of Stripe.
I can
I
take a
don't know.
quick look. I don't know if I'm going to remember exactly how,
Okay.
but I can definitely take a quick look. Go ahead and share if you're available.
Yeah. All right. It's one of these 1,000 tabs that are open. I have like 6 pages like that, just tabs on tabs. All right. So I changed it on this on top, and I thought that it would work. I changed the emails all to Liberty Forge, but it looks like um it's still showing up as Azena and then my name, which I don't really want them to have my name fully. I mean, I don't mind, but
Do you have that email handy that you could show me?
as far, what do you mean?
Like the email that you're seeing, Azina and your name. Do
So
you have
I
any?
I don't I lo- I'm confused. I'm sorry.
Like you're saying when somebody buys, they're getting emails and it says Azina and your name
Well,
instead of Liberty
no, 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 no,
Forge.
no, not on not their email. It's on their bank statement. So like if I go to um transactions and then the disputes, because someone put a dispute.
Let me see if I can figure this out really quick.
I think this one was done yesterday. Someone put a dispute yesterday.
I sell physical products. I use Stripe as my payment gateway. On my customers' bank statements, when they receive them, the wrong business information is showing, as well as my name on their bank statement. Where in Stripe do I correct this? By the way, I love to use an app called Whisper Flows. I don't type
Okay.
anymore. I just talk. All I do is talk. The world is beautiful now, gang. It's amazing.
Yeah, I like the sound.
Yep, Whisper Flows. You're gonna show me with a quick answer. Come on. I say I don't type anymore as I go to type right now.
It happens sometimes.
Got it. Okay, in the top right, click the gear icon.
Okay.
Yeah, settings. All right, go to your business settings. Go down to public details. Should be just a little lower. Scrolling back up. Hit more on the yes. Um, mm, Go to your business details.
Oh, I should probably change that.
Yep. There it is. Business name, Azina.
Edit.
Yep.
Now,
Edit this whole
is
page.
So this won't be a problem though, because this is under my corporation name, right? It won't give me any issues.
You'll be fine then. Yep.
Okay. No, that was it. So
Awesome.
easy.
Every single thing you can check and edit on this page, you definitely should double
So
check.
so let me ask you a question. So I'm gonna leave it under legal business name because that is my EIN number,
Yes, you are.
and then just change the business name.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Or I can just change the state. Can I just change the statement distribute that one?
I'm sure you can.
Statement.
Yes. Actually, yes, you can. Let me see what's down below too. Change that and that.
That's fine.
Keep going. Your name's probably going to be just below too.
Customer
Keep
support
going.
and change the
Yeah, business
website.
website. You'll probably want to change that for sure.
Yeah, that's to my shop. Oh, that's under the other product. Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Yep. Cool. All of that. And yes, you're right, Amanda. You only have to change the one thing we were just looking at.
Okay, awesome. So
Sweet.
much. Okay, appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Always a pleasure. You got it. Thanks for your patience.
Thanks.
Okay, cool. Doug is next. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just running. Doug, would you mind if we do this tomorrow? You want me
Yeah,
to look
man.
at you want me to look at your funnel, right?
Yeah, I've got it pretty much done except for testimonials. So I just want your cruise over so you can see it. And I need my Dante, Doug, it's awesome. So, or any other things, because what Dante suggests for a headline and sub headline, I'm like, okay, these are great, but they're a little long. So I just want you to look at it and see what you think and give me the once over to know that what I think is beautiful is actually looking good to get started. So yeah.
Cool. Cool. Yeah, let's do that tomorrow. If you can hop in at 11, I will start with you. It's I want to it'll take like at least 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah, for sure. Okay.
Cool. Awesome. Good
Cool.
stuff, man. Oh goodness, I'm so sorry. 2 seconds, gang. I have to take this. I'll be right back, and we're gonna get to Vladimir's question. All right. Bingo, Vladimir, something came up. How can I help?
Yeah, so quick one, Dante. So let me just share and show you.
Sure.
I am seeing some exclamation point that has not appeared there before.
Yeah.
So is this, what do we do about it?
Let's see. Close down your products.
Mm-hmm.
No, you were perfect. The X at the top.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Mhm.
And now put your mouse on that exclamation point. What's it say?
This step has products attached that is not set up to display.
Oh, that you're fine, Vladimir. Did you go through and test your product in the button yet?
Not yet.
Excuse me, in the pop-up.
Not yet. I was struggling with the picture for some reason wasn't showing up even though it was uploaded properly. But it looked like I just need to keep refreshing the page and eventually it solved the problem. It was
Cool.
it's a bug within the system. But then I'm seeing this and
Just make sure you test your pop-up product.
Mhm.
It's going to work. This is just saying, hey, there's products on here, but not in order form, which is fine because this is an upsell step. So
Gotcha.
this is effectively moot.
Gotcha. And then lastly, right here in the first page, do you recommend actually to have a timer as well, because of the pre-release thing, or to add to a bit of an urgency? Because the urgency is 12 days or something like that, 15 days. So I'm afraid that if it's 15 days and showing in days that people are not going to take action, because it's not really an urgency if it's 15 days. You see what I'm saying, right?
Yes, I absolutely do. It's a tough one. I would still want urgency and scarcity. I would not use a timer. My urgency and scarcity would basically just be this is a very limited edition. This is a very limited time offer. It's
Mhm.
ending in a few short days. And then as we got more to like 5 days from the event or from
Yeah.
the time, then I would put the timer.
Gotcha. I mean, I do have this like very limited quantities, and then delivery start February 27, which is just a date like a date in the future, right? Like, I mean, I
Is
don't.
there that's going to decrease conversions guaranteed because you're
Okay.
telling them that you're not even going to ship it till the 27th. So they're going
Yeah,
to say, "Oh, so I'm probably not even get this till next month."
yeah.
That's
No,
in the
I mean,
customer's mind. They're not going to say 18 days from now. They're going to say next month.
yeah. No, I mean, like the reason why I have it is because it's true, right? Like this is a pre-release, and that is the only reason why this huge discount, right? Like it's a pre-release, it's a pre-sale. So I just want it to be transparent.
Oh,
The
yeah,
reason the massive discount and I will when the regular sales start, I will actually hide the price and then we're gonna go to the regular V curve. That's kind of like my plan.
cool.
And the only reason why I have this pre-release special that starts at 136.95 is signaling that they will not be receiving the product until for a couple of weeks.
Yes.
And that is and I'm incentivizing them to with a massive discount on the product itself because it's a pre-release, right? Because it's not an immediate delivery.
Yes. That's totally fine.
Cool. All right. Then I will leave it as is. And I mean everybody who I'm talking to, since there will be no ad for this, right? Like this is just going to be word of mouth. It's going to be no ad to the public, is what I mean, right? Like
Mhm.
so, everybody will know that this is a like a early bird special almost.
Mhm.
I will shoot this to my list and I will shoot this to, through the channels of distribution channels of the Grand Lodge to everyone. And everybody will know that, hey, look, this is an opportunity to acquire it at a discount, but the
Yep.
downside is that you're going to have to wait for the delivery.
Fine.
Perfect.
Fine.
I
Fine.
will,
Yep.
I will get to the rest of the funnel and start testing and see how that works. I do have it here because it was a part of it and I never deleted with the upsell, right? Like I do have a timer here and
No,
maybe
you
I can.
should have a timer there. That is the timer for them to take action on this exclusive offer they only see right now. Because this is your
Okay.
upsell. So it's
Yeah.
like the time they have to decide whether they want this upsell product or not.
Gotcha. Now, the problem with this timer is that it still shows like that 14, 15 days. So would you
No,
advise?
you want that timer to be like 19 minutes.
Okay. Gotcha. Oh, gotcha.
And you really want to play with the time too. As you get your clarity recordings to come in, you'll see the average time people spend on that page. So if they spend 10 minutes on the page, you want the timer to be 12.
Gotcha. Gotcha. No, that makes sense. I will adjust the timer to
Cool.
be. I'm gonna start with 10 minutes, and I mean that's pretty. That's enough for someone to decide whether he wants it or not.
Cool. And you'll know if the time is too fast because you'll start getting support tickets in immediately. Hey, I was trying to get this thing and you booted me out. And if
Yeah.
you
No,
get those tickets, then increase the timer.
Gotcha. And once the timer, just from a technical standpoint, when the timer expires, what happens to the page? Does it disappear or it just goes to zero? Like it
You
just
want the timer expiration to be an action, and you want it to be hashtag. I'm going to put this in the chat for you.
fantastic. And for some reason, this thing is not loading up. I don't know why.
So when the timer expires, you don't want to redirect them to a URL. When the
Yeah.
timer expires, you want an action to fire. Click your timer.
Okay.
Expire action. Yes. We don't want the content. We don't have to worry about that. Click that. Redirect to URL.
Mhm.
And the redirect URL, oh, I think we just put it right in here. Hashtag no dash link.
Right here?
Yes.
Right. Ash, no, dash.
No, a dash, not the word dash, an
Oh, okay.
actual dash. No spaces either. Bingo. Yes, save. So what I just set up for you, Vladimir, when that timer fires,
Uh-huh.
when that timer fires, the no action is going to happen, and they are not going to buy this.
Gotcha.
It's going to
Gotcha.
move them to the next step in the funnel, and they will not purchase this. If
Yeah.
you wanted to, like, we hear a lot about in ecom forced continuity. It's basically where people use attractive offers on the front end to get people in and then force them to take continuity or subscription offers. And they're literally just making charges on people's cards, waiting until they find the charges and then canceling subscriptions. It's a
No,
pretty scummy way of doing business, if you ask
exactly.
me.
No, no,
So,
no.
but if you wanted to, you could make this hashtag yes dash link, and
Mhm.
that would purchase the product for them and send them to the next step in the funnel. Does that
Oh,
make
no.
sense?
Yeah, no, I don't want that either.
Of
They
course
just
not. But just so you know how those no link and yes links work in OTOs.
Gotcha.
Nice.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Now, end date. You see, like the problem with this end date is how do I actually just make it 10 minutes?
Yeah, that's tough, isn't it? Go to
Yeah.
Evergreen at the top.
Uh-huh.
On page load, we want this timer to load in. And how many minutes do we want this timer to be?
Okay, so this is basically 9 minutes and 58 seconds is a some kind of preset here.
Correct.
Fantastic. I'll just leave it as is, right?
Great. Great.
Excellent. Done.
There you go. Awesome.
Okay, so
Good
now
job,
I'm
Vladimir.
gonna work with this like this offer ends or something like that. Offer expires.
Yes, this offer is only available for the next. Yes.
Yes, offer available only.
Are you offering more of a discount on this page?
Yeah, so basically,
I would probably say these extra discounts available only for.
this extra.
Offer just makes a human hears offer and they say you want to take my money. Human hears discount and says I'm going to save money.
Only 4, right? This extra. Okay.
Bingo. Bingo. Nice.
Done. All right. Thank you so much, Dante. I will switch. I will play with the layout. I'm gonna format everything and move.
Just test the products. You look pretty good, Vladimir. Test the products. Make sure you test the OTO in the pop-up as well. Once you test, make all the products $1. Go buy the products live for $1. If they work for $1, they'll work for 10,000. Once you confirm products work, order forms work, order confirmation displays right information, which it all will. But once you confirm that, then I want you to go. Then I want you to tell the lodge so they can send it out to their list. You're ready.
Yep. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Dante.
You got it, brother. You got it. Great job today, gang. Great job, Doug. Really sorry I don't have time to get to you. It's just been a hectic week, and I have another meeting stacking up on this right now. But hop in tomorrow. Super excited to see what you've built. And for everybody else, amazing work. Even if you hit a hurdle, right? Like Marie, man, I'm not able to get into my account. I'm sure that Marie has more stuff she wants to work on right now instead of just getting access to her account. But she showed up, she learned, she still asked her questions, she still got help. And I know that's a hurdle in your way. And how easy would it be for Marie to just go have lunch with friends? Oh, this day's a wash. Call it a day. Do whatever you want, right? But she didn't do that. And you guys have, in your own ways, all been exactly the same, unbelievably intentional. So I'm really proud of you for that. I hope you feel the exact same. Keep those funnels live, keep traffic flowing, keep clarity on the accounts. We at ClickFunnels, we let customers vote with their wallets and actions. So how do we do that is by being marketers and putting out offers, putting funnels out there and watching how people interact with it. Back in the day, we'd spend millions of dollars to run case studies, to sit behind that glass the double-sided glass and watch a room of people just use our product and hear genuinely what they're saying and thinking. We don't have to spend millions and we don't have to take our time doing that anymore. We have clarity. So keep that clarity rocking and rolling. So great day today. Really proud of you guys. I will let you go for now. Have an amazing rest.